Hello guys, today I'm gonna tell you when you should use the quiet and the max suction power in the P50 Ultra MOVA. So if you want to adjust it manually, just click on the custom and now select the, for example, the vacuum. And as you can see there, the suction power. The quiet mode is the best if you want to just make your cleaning with no any noises, and it's good for light, dirty floors. If you want to use the maximum power, it's the best function, of course, for the big, for the just dirty, very dirty floor. But remember, your battery gonna go down very fast, and it's gonna be needed to recharge your appliance before the cleaning complete. And that's it. You can also select the max plus for the maximum power. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.